If you're thinking about becoming a qualified lash artist in 2026, or you've recently qualified and you're not quite sure what to do next, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through 6 steps that are going to help you to kickstart your career as a lash artist properly, confidently, and professionally. This is without the overwhelm, without the guesswork, and without wasting money on things you really don't need. I'm Lorraine, lash expert and educator at Luxe Beauty House and salon owner at Luxe Lashes London. I'm passionate about mentoring the next generation of lash artists. Whether you're navigating your career path, seeking motivation, or looking for expert insight, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lorraine. I'm the lead educator at Luxe Beauty House and the lash expert and salon owner of Luxe Lashes London. I have worked in the lash industry for more than 11 years now, and I have worked with many lash artists, from complete beginners right up to advanced lash artists who just need clarity and confidence. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 steps that every lash artist needs to follow in 2026. This will set you up for long-term success in the lash industry and not just quick results. So what are these 6 steps? Firstly, book yourself an accredited course. Number 2, get insured. Number 3, practice on models. Number 4, take photos and videos of your work. 5, create your social media. And 6, promote yourself confidently. Accreditation matters because it ensures your training meets the industry standards. It allows you to get insured and it protects both you and your clients. When choosing a course, there's a few things you really want to look out for. First of all, I highly rate in-person courses. Why? Because you can really gain hands-on experience and meet your educator face to face. The smaller the class, the more likely you'll get detailed support. You want to go for an educator who is actively working in the industry or has had long-term success in the lash industry. You might also want to go for a course that gives you ongoing support so that your training doesn't just stop the minute your course ends. Your foundation as a lash artist begins with your course. The right course will save you years of confusion later. Step 2, get insured. Once you've completed your course, it's important that you get yourself insured before you work on anyone. Insurance protects you, your client, and your business. It's not optional, and even if you're just working on models, it's not something to say, oh, I'll do later. Your insurance needs to be in place first. Make sure your insurance covers your lash treatments and that it matches the qualifications that you hold. Okay, so moving on to step 3, practicing on models. This is where the real growth begins. It's also the best part. After training, you won't be perfect, you won't be fast, and you won't be confident. But that is normal. Skill comes from practice, not from certificates. What you'll need to do, you work on your friends, your family members, your neighbors, your colleagues, whoever that may be. Make sure that you get your practice in. Focus on these 5 elements: placement, isolation, timing, lash health, and consistency. Please, at this point, do not rush to charge anything. Maybe cover your costs, but definitely not at full price. You want to make sure that your models are aware that you're learning, and you want to use this as an opportunity to really build beautiful sets that last, that are healthy, and that your clients are happy with. Step 4, take photos and videos of your work. First and foremost, photos and videos are for your own use. Why? Because you can look back on the work that you've done previously. You can see what you liked about it, what you didn't like. If you do your model again, you'll be able to look back and say, okay, that's what you had. I can try to recreate that. You want to also take photos so that you start building up your own portfolio. This is the work that you show others to say, I'm a lash tech and this is what I can do. So you need to have clear before and after photos. You want to take some close-ups. You want to do some short videos and also use natural lighting where possible. You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone and good lighting is enough. Step 5, create your social media. In 2026, social media isn't just a place to post photos. Please take it seriously and think of it as your portfolio, your marketing, and your credibility. Create a dedicated page for your lash business. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do have to be visible. What you want to post on there is things like your work, your journey, your progress, and your personality. Clients don't just book lashes, they book lash artists. Step 6, promote yourself confidently. This is the area where most people struggle. You're newly qualified, you don't have the confidence yet, but the things that you want to focus on telling people instead is that you are qualified, you are insured, and you're taking bookings. Share your work with them, talk about the skills that you're building, because confidence grows through action. But I also want to be honest with you. Becoming a lash artist takes time. Your skills will not grow overnight, and that's okay, because this industry rewards consistency. If you commit to learning, to growing, and to showing up, the results will come. If you found this video to be helpful, please do like and subscribe and share it with anyone you know that might be thinking of becoming a lash artist. And if you are looking for accredited courses, troubleshooting support, or advanced training, please check out the description below that has details of my training academy, Luxe Beauty House. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.